पयशेकार पर्यटकूच मनीस तस्करीक कारणीभूत आसात अशें पुलीस महासंचालक जसपाल सिंग सांगता। अर्ज संस्था आनी गोंय पुलिसेच्या जोडपावलान आयोजीत केल्ल्या संवसारीक मनीस तस्करी दीस कार्यावळी निमतान तो उलयतालो। मनीस तस्करी हो गंभीर गुन्यांव जावन आसा। गोंयानूय अशा प्रकारचे गुन्यांव घडपाची शक्यताय आसा। गोंय पुलीस ह्या घडणुकांचेर लक्ष दवरून आसा अशें जसपाल सिंगान सांगलें।
थैंक यू सो मच। ओहो, क्या नाचती हो आप, क्या एक्सप्रेशन देती हो। थैंक यू सो मच। सारे छुपने जो एक्ट्रेस होनी चाहिए। रियली आप एक्टिंग करती हो? हाँ बिल्कुल, मुझे तो बचपन से ही शौक था। अरे वाह, अगर ये बात है तो आप करेक्ट इंसान से बात करें। मेरे मॉडल से बहुत से पहचान है। ओके, आई थिंक इनका से रोल भी है जो आपको सीखा है। रियली आप इंटरेस्टेड हो? जी बिल्कुल। आप एक काम कीजिए, आप अपना नंबर दीजिए। आपकी उम्र क्या है वैसे?
You see, the problem of human trafficking is very serious because human beings being reduced to the level of chattels. Chattel means commodities. Is very unfortunate, and because human beings are not able to exercise autonomous choice, they are induced by certain antisocial elements, and they are put into this human trade, sometimes sexual exploitation, sometimes the work of maids, and sometimes domestic help, and even at certain business establishments also. And people are not able to study, their youth is wasted, and women are sexually exploited. So today, Arz Anyay Rahat Zindagi organized this program in coordination with Goa Police to make
Students, the refreshments is
to make people aware about the implications of this serious problem. Though police is there to take action against antisocial elements, but unless the society gets aware, they come forward, share information with law enforcement agencies, they are ready to depose in a court of law, we will not be able to make a dent on this problem. So the main purpose of organizing this function by us was to educate people so that people are aware about the evils of